From the land of ancient wisdom to the hub of modern innovation, India has always been a beacon of excellence. This is the story of a nation that crafts, creates, and conquers, a story that proudly carries the label, Made in India. India has a legacy of remarkable achievements. From the invention of zero by Aryabhata to the world's first university in Takshashila, our roots in knowledge and innovation run deep. Fast forward to today, India is a global leader in space technology, IT, and manufacturing. ISRO's Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan missions stunned the world, proving that Indian engineering is second to none. Be it automobiles, textiles, or pharmaceuticals, India produces world-class products. The Make in India initiative has propelled our industries to global standards, attracting investments and creating jobs. Our youth are driving the future. With over 100 unicorn startups, India is shaping the world with revolutionary ideas in fintech, AI, and sustainable energy. The spirit of innovation is truly made in India. India is also strengthening its defense sector with indigenous fighter jets like Tejas and advanced weaponry. Self-reliance is no longer a dream, it's our reality. From yoga and Ayurveda to software and space tech, Made in India is making a mark in every corner of the world. Indian talent and craftsmanship are setting global benchmarks. Every product, every idea, every achievement with the Made in India label is a testament to our hard work and brilliance. We are not just a country, we are a force to be reckoned with. Proudly made, proudly Indian. Like, share and subscribe for more inspiring content.